Alright guys, let's get our cat moving. First thing first guys, when I like to do when I get started, so I like to click on the green flag. So I explain you why we need to use the forever loop. Okay, when I click on the green flag, so I would like to move my cat around, right? When I click on different things. Okay. When I click on the green flag, if I push the right key on my keypad, it should go left, right? So I go to control, I use if I'm pushing the right key, so you see space key here, I click on right, I want the cat to move to the left. Alright, let me click on it, click on that, and let me click on right. It does not go right. Okay guys, because when I click on the green flag, that's the only time it's executed, and it executes this only once, so it kind of goes pretty quick guys, and that's the end of it. Let me show you what I say is true, and show you say hello and say hi. You see guys, it goes so quick. You're going to do all of that when I click on it. You say hello, say hi. Look how quick that goes. You already say hi. You're gonna go faster than that. Even he went over hello. All right, let me move hello. Let me put it there. You see, you jump over hi and say hello. All right, guys. So you got the idea. So that's why we need to monitor that all the time and use a forever loop. Go here to control, we can use a forever loop. When I click on the green flag now, let me push the right key. It does work guys, so it works. Okay, so now I need to do the same thing for left, right? So I need to put a -10 there, right? Alright, let's try that. Put it here, left and right, and it will be the same for up and down. Put if here. Oh, I don't even need to do that. Let me duplicate all of that. Duplicate, up and down. Alright guys, but that time I need to do something different. I need to add point toward and put 10 here and point toward. Oh, not this. Alright, I did all type of crazy things here. Point in direction. I'm sorry. Point in direction. To do the same here too. Has to go right. To go left. There you go. To go left. That's this to go up. And this one is to go down. Okay, and let's give it a try. Left, right. Yeah, I put minus there, so that's why. Alright, let me put it back there. Stop it. Go. Let me click on the green flag. Alright, up and down. Alright, so I can modify that thing when it's upside down. For that I need to set rotation. Things for up or down. I don't quite remember. Give it a try. Okay, so it's for left. Okay, I don't think I put it for left. Alright, let me give it a try now. Up and down. There you go guys. So all of this was to explain you why we need to use the forever loop guys, and is to monitor all the time, you know. It's like, you know, you have a watchdog over you, making sure, you know, if you're sleeping, that nobody is coming while you're sleeping, you know, like just when you fall asleep, and that's the end of it. Alright guys, that's the end of it for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a video a like. That would be really appreciated. Don't forget to leave some comments. That helps a lot. And please share the video, you know, on your social media, or groups, whatever you have. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Alright guys, see you for the tutorial. Bye bye.